In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Japanese chef knives in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which Japanese chef knives is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, FANTECK Kitchen Knife Damascus. Ultra sharp 8 inches Damascus cook blade, V-sharp edge precisely hands developed to 10 to 15 degrees per side for an effortless slicing experience. This means in women's cook knives can be made use of with both left and right hand men. It is appropriate for cutting, mincing, cutting as well as dicing any fruit, fish, meat, sushi and also vegetables for both house and dining establishment kitchen areas. VG10 Japanese Damascus steel high carbon material, expertly crafted from 67 layers. VG10 Japanese high carbon stainless steel makes sure remarkable strength, durability, and tarnish resistance. V-Gold 10 Japanese extremely steel cutting core at 62 plus Rockwell solidity. Comfortable ergonomic packet take care of with acrylic edge. The comfort designs take care of contributing excellent hold and also ideal equilibrium, superior control, agility, as well as convenience with ergonomic brown packawood handle with the acrylic rim. The contour design from the take care of to the pointer is labor-saving cutting bar, which can accomplish great backward and forwards rocker as well as front as well as rear reducing action, without causing physical fatigue. Let us cut quicker, much more effective. Here is the item number 4, FANTECK Japanese Chef Knife. 100% from Japan's top quality steel FAMCÜTE collection utilizes 9cr18 MOV. Wonderful steel for the daily use of any kind of chef. With an HRC of 60 plus or minus 2, it will take a tilted edge, as well as hold it for enough time to assist extend the life of your blade. The clothed dimple allows for easy food launch while slicing or dicing. This blade is fantastic for veggies, fruits, fish, and meats. Ergonomic style inspirations are designed to show the special appeal of chef's blades, while concentrating on comfortability, as well as effectiveness for the day-to-day chef. Blade length is 21.2 cm and manages size is 15.3 cm with a total length of 36.5 cm. Loaded with natural manages is crafted from African rosewood, and also is fantastic praise to the elegance and also convenience to the blade customer. The stability of the handle enables the user to complete the manipulation of the blade. This makes for efficient use for precision, as well as endurance cuts. This handle makes mise-en place enjoyable again. Weight or balance the equilibrium factor runs heel to spine up the billet, allowing the customer a comfortable grasp with accurate cuts, and also much less deterioration on the user's hands. The weight is towards the blade producing efficient usage during rock chopping movement. The item number 3, TUO Nakiri Kitchen Knives. Flexible knife, TUO 6.5-inch Yusuba blade is a standard Japanese knife for working with veggies and agro-food, excellent for kitchen needs such as shredding carrots, reducing tomatoes, dicing onions, cutting melons, or peeling avocados. This Nakiri knife is perfect for busy cooking areas. Super steel, followed German high-carbon stainless steel, it guarantees you the blade won't corrosion gradually in most of the conditions as well as very easy to resharpen. The steel is precisely refined with high-tech vacuum heat treatment to get to the solidity HRC 56 plus or minus 2 for remarkable performance and also side retention. Most notably, the side will not chip easily. Premium packawood deal with. The complete flavor taken care of is made from our patent-pending high-density packawood compound. Compared to other wood deals, it is way much more steady as well as hygienic. No matter exactly how poor the kitchen area setting is, it will certainly be no shrimp, no development, no fracture, guaranteeing you food safety. Well designed, from the striking grain of the refined packawood sourced from Africa handle to the gentle curve of the blade, this is an ergonomic complete flavor management style for remarkable convenience as well as sturdiness. The handle is specifically developed to hold conveniently in your hand with excellent equilibrium. The boost of the handle is meticulously brightened for an ideal pinch grasp. Number 2 in our list, MOSFiATA Super Sharp Professional 8-inch Chef's Knife. This MOSFiATA 8-inch chef knife is constructed from high-quality German stainless steel that resists rust, and discoloration. It can be utilized for your daily kitchen tasks of cutting, slicing, dicing, and also mincing of all kinds of meat, vegetables, fruits as well as bread. It is suitable for both home and also restaurant kitchen areas. Sharp edge and 14-16 degrees developing angle, sharpness is vital. Hand polished by craftsmen with years of experience to ensure its resilience. The density of this cooking area blade is 2.5 millimeters. Its hand polished edge is 14 to 16 levels per side, which is durable as well as sharp to get the job done completely. Rockwell hardness, 56 plus or minus 2 HRC. Strong design and micarta take care of. The solid micarta management lessens wrist stress while giving a protected, comfy grasp no matter your hand dimension or where you grip. Even after long-term usage, your hand, as well as wrist, will certainly not be exhausted. Suitable for both people that cook regularly as well as those that similar to preparing treats. The resilience as well as dependability of the kitchen knife are safeguarded by the triple rivet design that attaches the manager securely onto the blade. Cook knife, finger guard, blade guard, and also sharpener included. Secure your fingers as well as keep your blade sharp with the other 3 things in the package. The top one in our list, Imarku Japanese Chef Knife. High-carbon stainless steel bladed is produced from top-quality stainless steel that keeps its functionality for a very long time. And to increase its strength, the steel has 0.6 to 0.75 carbon, which makes it 2 times as difficult as other blades in its class as they include 0.3% carbon. Multifunctional knife. The FAMCÜTE knife is categorized and made to be a multi-purpose knife for expert applications. It cuts, dices, slices, chops, and likewise cuts meat off bones. It includes an HRC of 56 to 58 that makes it amongst the challenging knives in its course. Ergonomic PACA managed to make it a lot more expert and also minimize any kind of exhaustion, finger tingling, or pains after holding it continuously for an extensive time. The blade's handle is made from PACA. This is a product that originates from Africa and is also understood for its comfort, strength, and also security. Ultra-sharp side intensity is vital to achieving the best cuts, and this is evident in the blade's blade, which is quite sharp as well as will stay in this manner also after hard tasks such as cutting hard meat or removing flesh from bones. The intensity is additionally increased by utilizing the current German engineering. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Japanese chef knives amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.